Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cash App verification not working. If your Cash App verification keeps failing, there are a few common reasons and solutions you can try. First, make sure all the information you entered is correct and matches your legal documents. Even a small mistake in your name, date of birth, or social security number can cause the verification to fail. Double-check your details before submitting. Next, ensure your ID is valid, not expired, and clearly visible. When uploading, take photos in good lighting without glare or blur, because unclear images are a major reason for failed verification. Another important factor is age and eligibility. You must be at least 18 years old to get verified, and you need to live in a region where Cash App provides verification services. If you don't meet these requirements, the process won't work. If you're still facing issues, update the Cash App to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause technical glitches. Also, make sure your phone's operating system is updated for full compatibility. Lastly, if nothing works, contact Cash App support through the app. They can review your case and guide you if the system keeps rejecting your verification. So, to fix Cash App verification not working, check your details, upload clear ID photos, confirm eligibility, update the app, and reach out to support if needed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.